Hey guys, and I'm doing. Welcome welcome to a video on this channel. Yes?
What's that?
Construction worker.
Oh.
I think that's the name. 3D. Welcome. Let's start with a short tutorial. Your vehicle drives in the direction of the joystick. Drive the vehicle to the checkpoint. All missions completed. The green arrow guides you to the next target. Drive the vehicle to the checkpoint. Don't crash, don't crash. Oh.
Is it crashing going plate?
I don't know. Yeah.
What is that?
Construction worker.
I'm cold. You want to go forward?
Would you shush?
Okay.
Now it's time for a little more action. To connect the trailer to the truck, drive it into right position. It will connect automatically. Connect the trailer to the truck. You guys can watch me though.
What?
You can watch me. Drive the vehicle to the checkpoint. No.
What?
Oh, I killed someone. Dun, dun. I don't want to be a murderer. No.
Is that what it said?
No, I said I killed someone. Sorry, dude, if I killed you. I killed that man last time. Alright, I'm going this way, now go. I go this way. Tap anywhere on the screen to access the vehicle selection mode. Press on the dots to select the vehicle. Drive the vehicle to the checkpoint. Oh, I could change it to this vehicle. Ah.
Press it. Change. Okay.
Since I can't get through, I change. What happens if I crash? Oh, it doesn't do anything. It only, something happens if I kill someone or something. Oh, I can't. I have to change the vehicle and move them out of the way. I can't use this vehicle to go in. I see the people in there.
You just push it. Wait.
Yes. No, actually not. We have to get through. But I'm trying to get this vehicle into position. Here, you go right there. Now, I switch to this vehicle. Now I get him out of the way. I put him right there. Switch to this vehicle. Any trailer vans to... Okay, let's go.
Oh.
Oof.
Oh. You're bumping the car. You're bumping the car.
Well, I'm getting through.
You're like, don't.
Stop it. Stop.
I got lucky blocks. I got lucky blocks.
Press on this mission to see the cart mission again. Connect the trailer to the truck. The mission is to connect the trailer to the truck.
Okay.
I like how they let you switch. Connect.
Can I go there?
I have to connect the trailer. Uh-oh.
What?
I didn't connect it properly.
You pushed it back.
Come on, connect. Good. Drive the vehicle to the checkpoint.
I have to get out of there. Get to checkpoint.
Whee!
Oh, but drink butt.
Move your car.
Drink butt. Why
You
have
could have just pushed it.
Whoa! They have
What?
nuclear weapons. They have nuclear weapons.
What if
I want
you
to see what
touch-
happens. So I see what happens if they touch.
Okay. Oh, nothing happened.
a move?
Maybe nothing happens. Let's go.
No.
Wonder what happens if it blows up right after we go.
You lost a star?
No.
You what?
What is this?
I don't know.
Is this like Thor or something? Oh,
Hmm?
it's not Thor.
Oh, what's it?
It's engine.
Stop that! Use these buttons to move the fork.
The fork.
Yes. Also, don't crash or kill someone. Drive the vehicle to the checkpoint.
Okay.
What? It said use these buttons. Oh, to move the fork. The fork is that handle thing.
Can't crash.
It said don't crash or kill someone.
Crash. Crash.
Uh-oh.
Killed.
Oh, so you lose a star for whenever you kill someone.
You-
Yeah, I should probably do that again.
No.
Why are you walking in the way anyway? Why is he walking in the way?
Who?
This man. I killed him because he walked in the way. I want to do it again. His fault. He got killed.
Yeah.
I didn't do anything. He walked in the way. I'm going to collect the star.
That's the poopy sky.
Don't say that.
He's recording it, you know.
Yeah.
Watch out, dude.
Watch out, man. Watch out. Forklift coming through. Yeah, that's the name, right? Forklift.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Oh, don't crash.
If it's
Betty
killed,
Yeti has a way to, knows a way to go.
Yeah. Go.
Betty Yeti has a.
Stop screaming.
Okay.
You're still screaming. That's still screaming. Not really screaming, but more like whisper scream. Don't go in my spot. This is my spot. I think he got killed right after.
And I lost the star.
So, guys. Stop it!
Me?
No, not you, him. Transport the load to its destination.
Again, poopy.
Would you stop?
What is that? Okay. What do you do with that?
I take it to the destination.
To do what?
To poop.
Can I just drag it on the ground like that? Oh, it doesn't.
No.
It will come off. I need to lift it at least a few feet off.
Man.
I need to lift it a bit off the ground. Oh!
You won?
Yep.
But it crashed.
What's that?
Betty Yeti knows the way to
What's that? Where's
Smarty's time.
Okay, I get this one. I need to pick up the load. Why don't you move? Real construction workers don't do that. They at least back away. He won't move. They see a thing coming and they don't move.
They stay right there and get killed.
It's your fault if you get killed, man. You won't move. You're standing there. Ah, don't kill him! Oh, I dropped it. I'm trying not to kill the man, so I'm trying to rush away. What are you eating?
Who, me?
No.
Mine?
Yes.
Who? No. Candy.
What type of candy? It's Smarties, not candy. Well, Smarties is a candy. Where's the star? I'm just gonna. No, I might even not even get all the stars. If you get a star, you don't need. You can just kill someone. But I don't want to kill. But maybe if these people won't stop getting in the way, maybe we won't kill them. Like this. Look. Oh, I thought he was gonna die.
Who's get man?
Why are they accusing me of murder?
Oh.
Oh, he stopped. Finally, somebody stops. This man's a smart guy. He doesn't move while. Oh.
Who's get I going?
You know what? I should really lift this up instead of just pushing it.
No.
Come on. Come on.
Oh.
Go up. Good.
Hi.
Oh, you need to put it in?
Yeah, I just need to lift it up and put it in. Like that, fellas. That's how you do that.
There you go, fellas.
Transport the load to its destination. Ooh, so I put it in the truck.
No.
Wait a minute. Never mind. I don't need anything. Wait, too low.
Too hot. You
Drive the
what?
vehicle.